like Nuka-Cola.
Welcome to Corby Science Lab.
Welcome to Corby Science Lab. Today we've got a new thing that's kind of like the snowstorm in a bottle we did on the last episode. But this time we're going to put a little twist on there. So we have a couple of glow sticks here. We're thinking of using a couple of the insides of this. Don't do this unless you've got your parents with you. If your parents aren't there, don't mess with the stuff inside the glow stick, okay? But we're going to take a couple of these, and this is going to be the water for our experiment. So we got two of these. They're blue glow sticks that we're going to crack together. And we're going to have those inside the jar at the bottom. And then we're going to put in the Alka-Seltzer. So we're going to see how this all works. Before we go any further, if this is an enjoyable video to you, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see all the crazy stuff that we do here on Corby's Corner, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, right? Let's do this. He wants to get right to it, so we're going to get right to it. Just like, subscribe, and if you want to get more, hit that bell. So here we go. We have our baby oil, which is going to be the part that we're going to put in first, aren't we? Are you ready? Help me out. Grab it. All right, so we're going to pour this in here. There we go. Good job. A little bit more in there. Whoa, all right. Wow. So there we go. Wow. We got a lot of that. And now, we are going to break these up. So we're going to crack it just like that. And you shake it. Look at that, guys. Look how blue that is. I'll crack it and then you shake it, okay? Oh, shake. Shake it up. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. There it goes. You see those, guys? Those are pretty awesome. Wow.
Let's put them in there.
All right, so we have our glow sticks, and I'm going to get the tops cut off, and then we'll pour it on in. So now we have the tops off. So we're going to pour them on in. Look at that go. Got those in there. So we have our Alka-Seltzer here. And then if you see, I have a black light. And this black light makes it so that we can see things, that a lot of things that you can't really see. Like right now, it looks a little like there's some blue, but if you put the black light on it, look what happens. Oh, that's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome right there. So, we are going to put some of these in. Are you ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, go. Ooh.
All the way up here.
Look at that stuff. Do you see it? Look at that. That's pretty. That's like Nuka-Cola. How was that?
Good.
Was that pretty cool?
Yeah.
I thought it was okay. I like it. I thought the colors were just not vibrant enough in this glow stick. It's kind of disappointing. But we're going to keep on trying to see if we can find some even better versions of this stuff and some other cool experiments for you. Put in the comments, what did you think about this experiment? What would you like to see in an experiment like this? Because that might be cool. Maybe you guys got some really great ideas. Love you guys. Have fun. Please subscribe to get more of this.
Bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye, guys.